See, according to C. Rangarajan, the government should try to, what you can say, spend more money on the capital front, that is on the health and what you can say, the health and infrastructure, and that expenditure may what you can say, increase the liquidity in the market, and that liquidity in the market will help in, what you can say, generating the employment and also increase in the income, and that increased income may increase the demand, and that demand will increase the, what you can say, production. So in this way we can recover, or we can increase our, what you can say, the GDP growth rate, or our, what you can say, the economic growth rate. So that is what is mentioned here. It's a very important article. So if anyone is not having the articles related to the economic growth of the country, you can put these articles and put it in paper 3, that is the government budgeting. There is one topic called government budgeting in paper 2, because all these the discussions which have been mentioned here, these are related to the government budgeting, especially fiscal deficit, then fiscal stimulus. These all terms have been mentioned in this article. Emmanuel Lenin, I guess he is a French, because by the name it looks he is from France. Let me see, where is he? The writer is a France ambassador to India. Yes, he's a French ambassador to India. Emmanuel. He has also written a few more article few days back. Anyone remember there was an article related to India-France relations written by Emmanuel Lenin, right? Maybe a few years back, a few months back, like maybe 2-3 months back, when the French, what I can say, the French president visited India at that time. There was one more article written by the Emmanuel Lenin. So today he has also written one more, what you can say, the article focusing on the India's, what you can say, relations with the France. So COVID crisis urges us to develop region's multilateral dimension, focus on blue economy and environmental protection. So it's a very, very important blue economy. We have already discussed about this term blue economy. That is COVID crisis urges us to develop region's multilateral dimension, focus on blue economy and environmental protection. So you can take this as a question. So write down today's question, that is the COVID crisis has created an opportunity. All of you have notebook and pen with you. Just write down the question. COVID crisis, yeah, COVID crisis has created an opportunity to develop a multilateral dimension in Indo-Pacific region. Indo-Pacific region. Discuss, sorry, Indo-Pacific region. Again, put comma. They should be more focused on blue economy and environmental protection. Or you can write focusing more on blue economy and environmental protection. And India's interest in this region. And India's interest in this region. So read this article, put it in Indo-Pacific relations in paper 2, international relations. So I hope all of you know what is the meaning of the blue economy. We have already discussed about it.
India's interest again.
India's interest in the region, in the Indo-Pacific region, we can say.
Okay, sir.
Just 2 minutes. My PC got hanged, so I'm downloading the newspaper once again. Okay, if you have any, you can ask meanwhile till the newspaper is done. Any doubts? Is the screen visible to you?
Yes.
Okay, China delayed releasing virus info, WHO paper shows. So we have seen that one of the important accusations of the USA that WHO has not, what you can say, did his release responsibility. So as per some of the papers released by the WHO, it shows that China has released a virus info. China's Wuhan finds no new COVID-19 cases. Am I audible to all of you? Please mute yourself. Yes, Rituraj,
Yes.
can you please mute yourself? Your voice is getting like it is disturbing. Yes, thanks. Thanks, Rituraj. Yeah. So here we can say that as the US has alleged that the WHO has not played a role, what you can say, in a impartial manner. So that is what is mentioned. You will read this article because it is very important to understand that what you can say the problem. Under CPEC, China to build 1124 megawatt power project in POK. We have seen that there is CPEC, that is comprehensive economic park. What I can say, the is it the same? One second. So the China is trying to, what you can say, build airport in Pak occupied Kashmir under CPAC. That is China economic corridor. So why we need to read this article, because it had some impact on the India's, what you can say, the interest. So we have seen that there is one topic in paper 2 that is called as policies and politics of the developed and developing countries and its impact on India's interest. So you need to, what you can say, read this article, that how it is going to impact on India's, what you can say, interest in the Pak occupied Kashmir region. Let me see if there is any economic news today. We will see that, and then I will stop after the economic, what you can say, the discussion. Here in the economic page, we can say that open source code experts IT ministry spare over suggestions on changes. Anyways, building self-reliance, cell phones, jewelry, textiles. Government identifies 10 sectors to cut imports. So as we have seen that self-reliance means, we can see that before 1990, India was having a policy of, what you can say, Atmanirbhar or self-reliance. We were having no import and no export policy before 1990. So now we are again going back to that level. So our prime minister is saying that we should not import cell phones, we should not import jewelries, and we should not import, what you can say, the textiles. Instead of that, we all can manufacture all these, what you can say, the goods which are required in India. So jewelry, cell phones, and textile can be manufactured by the Indians, and that is what is the part of, what you can say, that Atmanirbhar package. Right? So that is what is mentioned here. So Prime Minister says that building self-reliance. So there might be a topic in the prelims exam, sorry, in the essay this year. So I'm expecting a topic on essay on the Atmanirbhar India. So you need to, what you can understand, what is Atmanirbhar, how to write the essay, that we will discuss later on. But these points you can use while writing the essay. So cell phones, jewelry, textile, government has identified 10 such sectors to cut the imports. So which are those 10 such sectors? You just go and check it out. Your virus should be controlled. and rate cuts made by RBI should be passed on to the customers by RC Bhargava, chairman of the Maruti Suzuki. So he's saying that a virus should be controlled. At the same time, whatever the rate cuts are made by the Reserve Bank of India should also be passed on the customers, because what is happening, the Reserve Bank of India is cutting its rates, its repo rates, but the commercial banks are not reducing its repo rates, and that is why we have seen that recently our finance minister has talked about what you can say, repo linked interest rate, right? So what how if the RBI has decreased the repo rate, then commercial bank should also decrease the what you can say the interest rate. That is what is expected. So that is what even RC Bhargava is also saying about it. Yeah. Here you can see that financial market has what you can say has got some losses because of the Moody's downgrading we have seen here. So the markets ignore Moody's downgrade and Sensex rises 3200 points in six sessions. So in spite of Moody's downgrading Indian economy, the Sensex rise from 3200 points in the last six sessions. That is what is mentioned here. And there were spar over the suggestions on changes and processes of the I guess Arogya Setu, because we have seen that there were some concerns regarding the Arogya Setu app, which has been developed by the India. There were concerns about the security of the data, which is being what you can say collected through the Arogya Setu. So some of the what you can say data like the location of the patients, location of the COVID-19, what you can say the patients also. They were also tracking the movement of the COVID-19 patients. So there were some issues, there were some what you can say the suggestions, there were some what you can say the changes in processes about the app which has been created by the ministry. So that is mentioned here. So just read it out what that issue is and why the people are worried about that what you can say the Arogya Setu app, right? How many of you have downloaded that app, Arogya Setu app? Okay. So while downloading the Arogya Setu app, it has asked some what you can say, it has asked some what you can say questions like allow the media, allow what you can say photographs, allow contacts, allow location. Right? It has asked some questions like allow what you can say this location, right? So if you allow this, then the government will come to know what is your location, where you are moving, where you are staying, and where you are going for. So all these what you can say the applications what you can say all this information being asked. Yes, Bagisha, I have downloaded, but when it asked me all these questions that where like allow media, allow photographs, allow contacts, allow locations, I have not what you can say uploaded it later on. Otherwise, it would have been better. Like suppose if I am infected by the COVID-19, then it would have been better for me to download it, because by downloading the app, the government will come to know that where I am what you can say located. So government can help me out. So that is what is the major what you can say the purpose of what you can say Arogya Setu app. So but again we can say that governance is not about it's all about what you can say governance, right? So yes, so that is what you mentioned. Like there is one topic in paper 2, that is e-governance. So in e-governance there is always a very famous statement, and that statement says that e-governance is not about it is all about what we can say the governance. So in spite of having such great what we can say the e-governance structure in India, but few people are not getting the help at time. So it's not about only digitization of the technology. It's about what you can say human aspect is also very important. That is what we have seen, that the disaster management question which I given to you in that statement, it mentioned that disaster management is not only about the administrative management. It's all about what I can say looking at the human aspect also, right? So that is what is mentioned here. Okay. Yes, yes, Piyush, you are asking something, right? Yeah, we have a lot of time. You can ask me any questions related to this if you have. We can discuss this topic today, and because the remaining topics we have already discussed. Yes.
So yeah, regarding that Arogya Setu app only.
Mm-hmm.
So I think not images, but yeah, location they are taking. But the real thing is, in the time of pandemic, how does it matter the government is having our data? A debate is going on that data is there. But how exactly that matters, and why government should not do this?
Yeah, why the people are worried about the data? Because what happens is this Arogya Setu app has been created. It must have been given to some what you can say third party to create that app, and all the data will be stored in some server, right? So there might be quite possibility that that data may get leaked. Like the data, like for example, in that Arogya Setu app, there are some personal information like your name, your age, which diseases you have, because it also asks some questions like, do you have blood pressure, sugar, or any other diseases? That information is also
But
taken
sir,
by
they
that.
are in all kind of apps.
Sorry?
Government has given a common platform called as Umang. So people are using all the services are being used there. So in every application there will be
Your
there will
voice
be.
is not clear to me. Can you just speak up a little, what I can say, slower, slower,
One
or
second.
maybe, yes,
So now is it better?
yes, fine, Piyush.
So, sir, the thing is, government is having Umang app also, na? So
Right.
people are using their services. So data will be there.
Yes.
So how exactly people are worried in this particular thing only? Because in the initial days of Aadhaar,
Mhm.
yeah, sir, please continue.
Yeah, I got your point, Piyush. Actually, see, uh, because since people are not having any, what you can say, work now, people are trying to, what you can say, find out the loopholes in each and everything, right? So of course there are some advantages
Yeah.
and there are some disadvantages also. And I have already told you that any computer application, any computer software, or any computer app, it is, what you can say, it is prone to data security breach. It is prone to, what you can say, have problems with that, right? So but again, it is if the people are questioning about it, if people are raising doubts about it, it is the duty of the government to assure that the data is not going to, what you can say, breached, right? Because as you rightly said, that even in case of Aadhaar also, there were many such questions has been raised by the people, and people, what you can say, they are right. So in democracy, people should ask questions, right? If they have some doubts, they should ask questions, and it is the responsibility of the government to, what you can say, allay those fears, right? So if people are asking about the data security, because obviously when they are downloading the app, if it is asking such questions like, what is your name, what is your age, what is your clinical history, what is your, what you can say, the health history, and what is your location, so obviously people become, what you can say, fear about it, about their
But this
personal
is
information.
necessary, no, sir.
That is
This is
necessary,
necessary. People.
that is necessary, I
Yeah.
got your point, but this data need to be secure. Like if the people get the assurity that whatever information you are giving, that will be, what we can say, that will be kept, what we can say, in a secure, that data will not be, what we can say, given to someone else, or that data will not be leaked to someone else. That is the fear of the, what we can say, the people. I understand that data is necessary, it's not I'm saying that that data is not necessary, but when government is taking this necessary, that data should be, what we can say, protected. That is what is the worry of the people. So if that data is protected, obviously people do not have any problem with that, but there should be some assurances that that data can be protected.
But sir, that's the real issue, that there can't be certainty that data will be secured in this world of digitization. Everything can be hacked, and none of the data is safe. As the revelations of Edward Snowden half a decade before has clearly showed that privacy in today's days is a myth. तो गवर्नमेंट कुछ भी बोल ले, डेटा तो गारंटी है नहीं, गवर्नमेंट कुछ नहीं दे सकती सर. कुडानकुलम न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट लास्ट मंथ न्यूज में आया था कि देयर इज अ नॉर्थ कोरियन जस्ट हैकर्स. अपने न्यूक्लियर प्लांट जब हमारा नहीं बच पा रहा है, गवर्नमेंट तो उसको तो गवर्नमेंट बचाने के लिए भी एकदम सज्ज है ना, पर स्टिल दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू दैट. तो गवर्नमेंट बोल भी देगी लोगों से कि ठीक है हम नहीं होने देंगे, तो हमें गवर्नमेंट पे कौन सा भरोसा है कि गवर्नमेंट नहीं होने देगी? हमें खुद भरोसा नहीं है अपनी गवर्नमेंट पे. बट द रियल थिंग इज पीपल.
यू आर राइट पीयूष, बट ऐसे भी तो नहीं है ना कि पीपल शुड गेट सम टाइम ऑफ अश्योरिटी. लाइक अब ये भी जो है, ये चीज लोगों को अच्छे तरीके से समझाना चाहिए कि ये जो डेटा है, किसी भी तरीके का डेटा ब्रीच नहीं होगा, या फिर हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि नो डेटा इज प्रोटेक्टेड, दैट यू आर सेइंग, राइट? सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द पॉइंट एक्चुअली. If government,
the best worry should be that they should not give data to any private player. That's the thing that we should be concerned about. As far as data is with the government, I don't think there should be any problem.
Yes.
The moment private players are stepping in, yes, then it becomes a problem.
Yeah, you are right. But I can see that every technology has some, what you can say, the disadvantage, right? So even this, what you can say, the data technology, which is always prone to, what you can say, such, what you can say, the issues. Okay. चलिए, anything else apart from this? Hello, am I audible? Yes, Zain.
सर मैंने सेतु आरोग्य सेतु को इंस्टॉल किया था, बट दिन पहले मैंने उसको रिमूव कर दिया. तो अभी मेरे को डाटा सिक्योरिटी का प्रॉब्लम थ्रू सेव हो गया उधर.
मतलब
मींस मैंने उसको अनइंस्टॉल
पहले आपने डाउनलोड किया था फिर बाद में अनइंस्टॉल किया?
अभी तो मेरा तो भी मेरे को प्रॉब्लम है क्या सर उसका सिक्योरिटी का?
I don't think कि after uninstalling वो हो सकता है, because I'm not an expert of this what you can say this this what you can say this computer technology का expert तो मैं नहीं हूँ, but I don't know भी एक बार आपने डाउनलोड किया तो बाद में वो हो सकता है नहीं हो सकता है, but unless and until there is a connection between your device and to the server, I don't think there will be any problem. But ऐसे नहीं है कि मतलब वो secure नहीं है, इसका मतलब I'm not what you can promoting that not to download आरोग्य सेतु app. I'm just talking about the what you can say the concerns raised by the people. एंड अगर आप आरोग्य सेतु ऐप को अगर डाउनलोड करोगे तो आपके लिए बेटर है, क्यों बेटर है? बिकॉज इन फ्यूचर इन केस इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटेड टू व्हाट यू कैन से which is problem related to what you can say the COVID-19, then that app may help you a lot. Why? Because it may help the government to identify your location, it may help you to what you can say find out you very quickly, again provided if the government machinery is very active, right? क्योंकि कैसे होता है ये सारे एप्लीकेशन तो बनाए जाते हैं बट वो सिर्फ नाम के होते हैं, unless and until the government machinery really want to what you can say use that application तब तो वो काम में नहीं आएंगे. But anyways keep downloaded it, so don't worry because I don't think we are not celebrities कि हमारा बहुत प्राइवेसी ब्रीच हो जाएगा या हमारा लोकेशन किसी को पता चल जाएगा तो बहुत बड़ा बवाल होगा, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है. So keep it to yourself unless and until there is anything more personal which you can't share it with the government. And because all these applications are for our benefit, they have been created for the benefit of the people. Fine.
ओके सर.
ठीक है, चलिए. So shall we stop here? Yes, Pramod. प्रमोद काही विचारायचं का तुला? हेलो. Okay, fine. So we'll stop here. We'll continue tomorrow.
ओके सर.
Thank you, sir.